welcome to Monday Minutes with Jesse and Kelly. I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jessie, and this is a short video where we show you something new with Koha.
Hi, Jesse. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Kelly. Another Monday morning for us.
Another Monday morning. Yep. So we're going to do something fun on the OPAC today. We're going to show how to add your Twitter feed to your main page of your OPAC. So we work really hard at, pushing marketing our libraries, and this is a great way to have a one-stop shop for your users.
Absolutely. And we're going to show you Twitter as an example, but you can absolutely do this with Facebook. You can do it with Instagram. You can do it with any of your social media platforms. I've seen libraries do it with Pinterest as well. So we'll use Twitter as the example today. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have access to your Twitter feed. So know what your direct URL is. So for example, our Bywater account is twitter.com/BywaterSolution. Now, there is a separate URL that allows you to publish your Twitter feed. And that is publish.twitter.com. And what this allows you to do is grab that direct URL and bring it right in here to publish it. Go ahead, Kelly.
They've made this so easy. I mean, you used to have to find the code. They're asking you, how do you want to display it? Do you want to display the timeline? So what you're actually publishing, or just that, the tweet button? And then you just tell Twitter and it will do all the hard work for you, really. It's grab a code for you.
Absolutely. So this is what's really nice is you can come in here and select which one you want. So if you want that embed feed, it'll show you the last tweets that you've done, so you can kind of get a preview for it. If we hit that Twitter button, we could either say follow, which will give us a follow button, or mention. So it'll show any of those mentions that we have in there. So for today, we're going to do the embed timeline. That way people can come to our site and they can see anything that we're tweeting about. So it's pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to grab that copy code. It'll give us a little pop-up letting us know that we've copied it. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to come over to the Koha staff client. And from here, walk us through what we're going to do, Kelly.
So now we're going to go into the Koha administration, and all the display options are stored in the OPAC system preferences, and this one specifically OPAC nav right, which is where we think it might look great. It's right under that login button that we have on our OPAC. So that would be your OPAC nav right. So that's where we're going to go ahead and grab that HTML code, paste it into this box, and that's really all it says is make sure you have that HTML. It tells you where it's going to go. So go ahead and save, and really, we can say voila. I mean, really,
yeah.
Refresh.
We're going to do.
Yeah.
Perfect. We did a quick refresh, and here we go. This takes us in. We've got our feed just populating here now on the right.
Yep, it's perfect. It's perfect. So now if maybe somebody didn't even know you had a Twitter feed, maybe, I don't know, maybe people don't even know we have a Twitter feed at Bywater. So here we go. We're promoting our Twitter feed and telling you how to promote yours.
Awesome. All right. Well, another quick Monday Minutes this week that shows you how to embed that Twitter feed on your OPAC page. Again, try it with Facebook, try it with Instagram, and let us know.
Yeah. Show us your results. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jesse.
Thanks, Kelly.
Have a great week.
You too.